Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing optional features missing or not installing on Windows 11, a comprehensive guide. Optional features in Windows 11 provide a way to add specific capabilities to your system without bloating it with unnecessary components by default. These features can range from tools like the RSAT tools, the Hyper-V platform, various .NET framework versions, and even media features. However, sometimes you might encounter issues where these features are missing from the optional features list in settings or fail to install properly. This comprehensive guide will walk you through various troubleshooting steps and solutions to resolve these issues. Understanding the problem. Before diving into the fixes, it's crucial to understand potential causes. Corrupted system files. Windows relies on numerous files to function. If these files, particularly those related to feature management, are corrupted, it can lead to features not being listed or failing to install.